If you're a content creator in 2025, you've probably wondered which platform pays more, YouTube Shorts or TikTok. Both platforms offer massive opportunities to grow an audience, monetize content, and build a personal brand. But when it comes to making real money, one platform has a clear advantage. In this guide, we'll break down the key differences between YouTube Shorts and TikTok in terms of monetization, payouts, and overall earning potential for creators. YouTube Shorts has positioned itself as a strong competitor to TikTok, attracting billions of views daily and offering a lucrative monetization system. One of its biggest advantages is ad revenue sharing through the YouTube Partner Program. Unlike TikTok's Creator Fund, which pays a fixed amount per 1,000 views, YouTube allows creators to earn a percentage of ad revenue generated from their content. The average payout for YouTube Shorts creators ranges from 0.5 cents to 10 cents per 1,000 views. Top-performing channels that consistently hit millions of views can make thousands of dollars per month. The introduction of super thanks, memberships, and YouTube shopping has further boosted revenue potential for Shorts creators. TikTok, on the other hand, offers multiple ways for creators to make money, including the TikTok Creativity Program, in-app gifts, brand sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. The Creativity Program, which replaced the old Creator Fund, promises higher payouts, especially for videos over 1 minute long. However, TikTok's earnings model is still considered less stable than YouTube Shorts because payouts vary widely and rely more on engagement rather than ad revenue sharing. While some TikTokers earn through monetization, many rely heavily on brand deals and external sponsorships rather than direct payouts from the platform itself. A major difference between the two platforms is content lifespan. On YouTube Shorts, videos continue generating views and revenue for months or even years after they're uploaded, thanks to YouTube's recommendation system. In contrast, TikTok videos tend to go viral quickly but lose visibility within days or weeks. This means that YouTube Shorts provides a more long-term passive income opportunity, while TikTok requires frequent uploads to maintain momentum. Another key factor is audience behavior. YouTube is designed for searchability, meaning your content has a better chance of being discovered through SEO and recommendations, even long after posting. TikTok, in contrast, relies heavily on its algorithm and viral trends, making it harder to sustain consistent earnings unless you post frequently and adapt to trending content. In terms of earning potential, YouTube Shorts creators often see higher and more consistent payouts because of ad revenue sharing. TikTok creators can still make good money, but they need to focus on external revenue streams like sponsorships, product sales, and affiliate marketing to maximize earnings. So, which platform pays more in 2025? If you're looking for stable, long-term income, YouTube Shorts is the better option due to its ad revenue sharing model and evergreen content potential. However, if you're focused on quick viral exposure and brand deals, TikTok remains a strong option, especially for influencers with a loyal audience who engage with sponsored content. The smartest approach is to use both platforms strategically. Repurpose your content, take advantage of each platform's strengths, and diversify your income streams. By posting on both YouTube Shorts and TikTok, you maximize your reach, increase earning potential, and create a sustainable income stream as a content creator. The best time to start is now. Short-form content is booming, and those who take action today will be the ones profiting the most in the future. Whether you focus on YouTube, TikTok, or both, consistency is key. Start posting, experiment with different content styles, and watch as your earnings grow.